Anthony D'Souza from Ambeli. I suddenly a video chayla one the Agnello Fernandez, the CEO of Margao, who happened to be the member secretary, and he is saying, talking about that TIATR hall will be closed for some more time. And we don't know, it could be indefinite because म्हाका थोडे हांवें गेले त्या दिसांनी जायते पोस्ट वाचतालो हांव and I have learnt a lot from one a well-known theatrist and a director, Pasquale de Cicalimun. And then I learned from him more detail. For example, in Penjim, ते आमगेले कला अकॅडमी आज बंद जाल्ल्या 2 वर्स मायज जाली. कित चलता हांव काय नको. अरे 2 वर्सांनी ताजमहल बांदून जातले आयचे मॉडर्न ताजमहल. तुम्ही 2 महिन्या भितर इल्लिगल भोंगले काय नको नुकको जाय मरे. 2 महिन्या भितर आता कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट तेंको दिया मरे ते बॉम्बे फाटीकडे अशें करून. तें बंद जालें. म्हणून ते नोताचो ते पेंजीम एरिया लोक जो तियात्र चोयतालो नाटक चोयताले, मोस्टली इट इज द तियात्र लविंग फ्रेटर्निटी. You are depriving them of this art, man. Number 1. Number 2, Vasco change the hall mare kit repairing हुई अजून. What is kid worse जाय daily. म्हणून वास्कोचे लोकांक जावं mainly from Vasco people cannot even watch their favorite age-old theaters more than 100 years old. ही आर्ट तुम काबार करू उठले कित रे. इट लुक्स लाइक अ कॉन्स्पिरसी नाउ बिकॉज एनीथिंग दैट हैज अ पैटर्न दैट मीन्स देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग, वेरी सिरियसली रॉन्ग. आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड. ते वास्कोचे बंद, थिंग पणजे बंद, आनी मागीर तुगे म्हापसा गेले ते तियात्र हॉला हुई. इट इज नॉट वर्थ डुईंग द तियात्र देयर बिकॉज थिंग फिजिबिलिटी ना म्हणटाय थिंगा. केन्नाय पोवता केन्नाय उदो वत हुई. थिंग सीटाय ती सारक नाय. भितो हॉला उकडताय. अरे इन दिस मॉडर्न एज डू यू एक्सपेक्ट पीपल टू गो एंड वॉच थिएटर इन अ नॉन AC हॉल विच इज क्लोज एंड कॉम्पैक्ट with outdated facilities there? The lighting sarna, sound system sarna. Today modern world people have their own soundproof auditorium in their houses nowadays. And how are these modern children going to watch these theatros? I don't understand why all this is happening one by one. Then we have found that in Savarde hardly there is one show that can take place. People cannot repeat. Even the best of directors cannot have 2 shows. एक शो जातात मागीर थिंग पेट्रोनेज नान जाता. मागीर उरते तुगे काणकोणांत जावं पेडणे थिंगाय कांय जायना मरे. देर इज नॉट अन हॅपनिंग प्लेस देर. I don't understand what is all this here. सांकली पोंडा लोकां फोर्सान आपोयच पडाय or some announcement goes for in public avenues, or we have to do it like the theatre has to be done by giving sponsored books by which some donation come or people could get those passes through some people. I don't know. So चोवपा गेले north, south, east, west, center सगळे काबार करून उठले दिसत म्हाका. अरे there are 3-4 localities where there are lot of followers of theatre. आणि तिंगा जरी तर तुम्ही हे सगळे बंद करून उडयताय जाय तू कितकोन चलतोय. त्या गोमंत विद्या निकेतना हार्डली 450 कित सीटा आहे. अरे 450 सीटांनी इवन तो हाऊस पॅक जाल जाय तू. विल द डायरेक्टर्स मेक एनी लिटल प्रॉफिट फॉर their living? Secondly, GBM is not a fit place for today's world. गोमंत विद्या निकेतन म्हणजे 1972 त्या चोयता तो कोणता येताले कित्याक बसीच्यो येताले, बसीन देंवताले, बसीन घार येताले आनी सगळ्यांको कार आहे मोटर आहे थिंग पार्किंग हुंय रे. इट्स समथिंग सो लुक्स लायक इट्स अ बिग कॉन्स्पिरसी. कित्याक वयत थिंगा ब्लॉकेज एश कोताय अशें कितें जाता तें म्हाका कांय समजना. डू यू ऑल वॉन्ट टू एंड अप दीस theatre? from the Goan land. This is indirectly blocking everything and discouraging. And the final nail in the coffin is this TIATR hall. And this is the Mecca of Tiatman today. In the previous world it was Gomat Vidya Niketan was the Mecca. Like today the Mecca has shifted, let's say, because it has a bigger and huge capacity with good sound system, good AC. And now you are again taking some excuses saying that there is some AC problem. And you need people to come from NASA. NASA samuni sevilo jaye. Ek AC start korpaku, cooler, bilar, mutte, chilleru. अरे थिंग 2 वर्ष चालू हुई मर थिंगा वास्को थिंग एसी अजून रेडी जात थिंगा हाची 2 वर्ष पहिले एसी केली होती आउटडेटेड जाऊन मॅन्युफॅक्चरर आणि दुसरे एसी रिबिल्ड केले असतले व्हाय ऑल आर डुईंग लाईक दिस इट लुक्स लाईक इट्स अ बिग कॉन्स्पिरसी नाउ बिकॉज देर इज अ पैटर्न आय एम से सी वेन वास्को वॉज नॉट वर्किंग फाईन इट वॉज अ रेअर थिंग पणजी चलना रिनोवेशन आगोळे रेअर थिंग in one stage, one go, you all want to not to encourage the people by seeing that some alternatives are given. At least some halls should have been ready by now. ठीक तसे ते कॅन्टीन बंद दवरले तेंपे बंद दवरला आणि त्या कॅन्टीनाचे ते किती जावपा ते हांव नको ते टेंडर बिंडर म्हणल्यार ते तुम बरें टेंडरली तुम काबार करतले सोद म्हाका ते नाजाल्यार फेवरेट मनशान दिन का कुशीन सोदले I don't know. Are those people who have booked the theatre, itu tepan after so many years of COVID, amgele theatrist bhav, they just started living again, some of them. Ek ummed gen elle. For example, that Rosford had come with his 100 shows, celebration, all tweet elle, sogle, different ministers and bureaucrats and civilians. Was this a face-off? And soon after that, AC bond, AC chalna, chiller bond. म्हणजे ते 100 shows and पडकीत केल्ले. He could not even live with that. And so many of my theatrists, my brothers, sisters, some of them are making their living. Huyo sop, kit korop. So you want to give a break to all this theatre. Cut off this world, the new generation from theatre, and then come back with all the ACs and all the halls once again. By the time we will be losing the ground. Please acknowledge all these difficulties and get this work done on priority basis. NASA असो रावना काय. देव बरें करूं. Thank you very much.